Hi, I'm JB,
And Rebecca.
and we're Dual Dragons. So welcome to our Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to be focusing on breathing and as well how to incorporate the chakras and their techniques. This breathing technique is the foundation to the stretching that we recommend to every single client we come across. So we're sharing this with you so that you have something to start with and so you look forward to our session with us where we be able to serve you addressing your concerns with our wellness consultant.
Okay. And a lot of this breathing has been successful with a lot of our clients when it comes to releasing tension within the muscles, even releasing pain within the muscle. So I highly recommend this. It's been very beneficial and successful for a lot of our clients. So
almost 100% practically.
Yeah, I'm talking about the high 90s.
Yeah, there's the only 1% is just severe injury, surgery, something that's beyond our scope. We only can share with you what we know within our realm, and we want to help you with this amazing breathing technique. So let's get started. I'll be demonstrating, and you'll be hearing Rebecca kind of guiding me, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, so I'll have JB stand up. So like I tell all the clients to put a hand on their tummy and another hand on the chest. A lot of us do a lot of chest breathing. And when we were children, we didn't breathe this way. If you pay attention to your children, watch how they breathe. You could see their bellies expanding. And that is the way of breathing. So we don't want the chest to expand, we want the tummy to expand.
Just for this type of breathing?
Just for this breathing, yes. So watch his hand so you could see. And inhale, exhale. So in the inhale, your tummy will enlarge. In the exhale, your tummy will go back. Okay? And notice his hand on his chest has not been rising. So you can see the difference. I'm going to ask him to do chest breathing only. That's chest breathing. You can see the shoulders, the chest raising.
But sometimes some people also tense, they may even see their neck tightening up or their veins bulging or even gets to their head. But again, we're trying to help you focus on belly breathing to maximize your capacity of oxygen to your body.
And what a lot of people don't know, that chest breathing is the number one factor of why these muscles get really, really tight. So remember, a lot of our neck muscles are attached to our ribs. So when you do a lot of chest breathing, it will tighten all this up. And it's been known to cause, these muscles even are known to cause headaches. Okay, so back to breathing. For all our stretches, we're going to ask you to do 3 steps of breathing. So first we're going to ask you to inhale through the tummy, exhale. Then we're going to ask you to inhale again the second time, but this time you're going to hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Inhale through the nose for the tummy. And that's the third one. And exhale. So we're going to do deep inhale, exhale. Second one, inhale, hold for 10 seconds. Exhale slowly. And then the third one, inhale, exhale, deep and slow.
And usually that third phase is when you release the stretch. So we're going to keep on repeating this just to remind you, and it's really that simple. A good metaphor for those who are very visual. So as you take a deep breath, you relax. You take the second breath and you hold it. Close your eyes. You follow the oxygen through your lungs, your heart. Just feel it pumping, going through your veins into whatever problem, soreness you have. Just imagine the energy flow of the oxygen and really direct it. Notice how much more effective the results you're getting by adding a little bit of visualization to this process. So that's a little advanced technique for those who want a little upper game kind of experience. And so with that is the simplicity of our breathing technique. Now, we mentioned about chakras and visualization. This is how it's going to tie in. throat.
Okay, so in our body, we have 7 chakras. Perfect. So we have our root chakra, which is in
The growing area.
the groin area. And then we have the sacral chakra, which is right on the lower abdominal, right below your belly
About
button.
an inch below the belly button.
Then we have the solar plexus chakra, that's right on the stomach area.
Pretty much a thumb below the sternum.
Then we have our heart chakra, which is right where the heart is. And remember, your heart is located a little bit more to the left. So that one will not be right in the center, it's a little off. Then we have our throat chakra. And then we have our third eye chakra right between the eyebrows. And then finally, our crown chakra.
Usually at the crown of your head or a little bit above. It's just this region in particular.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, no, stay there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do some breathing through the chakras. So on this one, we're not gonna be holding our breath. We're just gonna do intentional deep breathing. And it's gonna be 2 deep breaths. And so on the inhale, I want you to visualize the color of that chakra. On the exhale, I want you to visualize releasing anything that's blocking that chakra to shine as strong as it should be. These are our energy circles within our body. So this has to do a lot with visualization in your mind of the chakras. So if I can have you put a hand placed in the groin area, just put it like this. It's better that way, yeah. Because what I want you to imagine is this big circle. It always runs clockwise. So there's this big clockwise circle turning, and it's the color red. That's our root chakra. It's what grounds us. So close your eyes, visualize that red color. Inhale that red color to that root chakra. Exhale anything that's possibly blocking it. On your second inhale, I want you to visualize that color getting bigger and moving even more faster. And when you exhale, I want you to visualize it just flowing now. From our root chakra, now we're going to go up to the second chakra, which is like what we said, right below the belly button. Now imagine this beautiful orange color. And again, it's turning clockwise. Inhale this orange color. Exhale anything that's possibly blocking it. On your second inhale, imagine this orange color getting bigger, rotating clockwise faster. Exhale, making it flow freely now. Now we're going to go up to our solar plexus chakra. This is a bright yellow chakra. So again, imagine this yellow wheel turning clockwise. Inhale the color, exhale any blockages. Inhale again, making it brighter yellow, bigger, circulating faster. Exhale, making it look like it's flowing. It's just flowing now. Let me just put this down. Perfect. And now we're going to our heart chakra. Remember, this is his right side, this is his left. So he's going to move it slightly more to the left. So you're right on your heart chakra. And again, inhale this beautiful emerald green color that's turning clockwise. Exhale anything that's blocking it. Inhale one more time, making this beautiful emerald green bigger, circulating faster clockwise. And when you exhale, it's now flowing freely. Now we're going to go up to our throat chakra. And this is a beautiful indigo blue color. And again, you don't want to really cover your throat. You just want to have your hand floating in front of your throat. And the reason for that is we want it to be an energy, flowing energy. The minute you do hold your throat, it's a blocking. So we want to flow. So again, inhale this beautiful blue indigo color. It's turning clockwise. Exhale anything that's blocking it. Inhale one more time, making it bigger, flowing faster. And when you exhale, it's flowing freely now. Now we're going to go up to the third eye. That's the beautiful violet. Amethyst crystal is very popular for the third eye. Again, floating on top, don't cover it. We're going to inhale this beautiful lavender, turning clockwise. Exhale, releasing anything blocking it. Inhale through the tummy, making it bigger, circulating faster. And exhale slowly, and now it's flowing freely. And our last chakra is the crown chakra. And you could do it this way, but I prefer that you use both hands and like a crown. JB? No, like a crown. Yes. Because it's actually more like a tunnel. It's almost like a tornado. It has that cycling like a tornado, because that's the energy that connects us to our higher source. So it's going straight up to our higher source. Okay? And you could actually do the same thing for the root chakra. You could be floating in front, or you could do the same position where your hands are like this, going down to the earth for root chakra, the first one we started with. So crown chakra, again, visualize that crown that is circulating clockwise, this beautiful white color. So we're gonna inhale this beautiful white crystal color. Exhale anything that's blocking it. Inhale one more time through the tummy. It's getting brighter, bigger, circulating faster. Exhale, now it's flowing. And then lower your hands.
You may sense energy between your hands. As they say in Tai Chi, there's an energy massage, just kind of rub it in areas like you might feel soreness, into pain. And then you can access, just kind of
put it to your heart.
Put it to your heart.
Okay.
So another tip for this aspect, if it's too much for you to stand, whether it's knee injury or, unfortunately it's not possible for you, you can do the same techniques of training the belly breathing as well as laying down. So we're going to position ourselves. If you're comfortable.
Ready?
Yes.
So when you're laying down, it makes it actually a little easier. Go ahead and inhale through your tummy. Exhale. Inhale and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And that's how we do it. Okay. Go ahead and do it. So I hope everyone enjoyed the presentation today, and we look forward to having you join us next Monday.
Remember to stay healthy and breathe intentionally. Till next time.